Hey there, I'm making this video for you if you have the monitor CU34G2X on how you can actually get the best settings. So I'm just going to show you right here. So here I have, first let me go to the beginning. You're going to start at luminance, I think. So you're gonna have luminance, and I have contrast 50, brightness 100, echo mode standard, HDR effect off, because with the HDR when I had it on I just didn't like it at all, gamma free. So when you're gonna have these settings, the first ones, just try to have, oh my god, no. Try to have the HDR on and you will see the big difference, and just choose if you like it or no. I didn't like it. Color setup, I have warm, that automatically when you're going to have it warm, this is going to be shaded, so it's going to be warm. But if you want to, like, this is completely up to you. Oh my god, again. You can choose and have warm and choose it to something else, and you can actually see how it's changing. And you can have it as also as a user, like change the colors, and you can just like calibrate it to like 96, 85, 90. But I just prefer that I have like warm, and I like that, so I just choose it that way. That's for me. And now, oh my god, no, warm. Picture boost off, English, everything stay like this. And game settings, I like, this is something that you can try when you're gonna, I don't know what kind of games you're playing. When you're gonna play game, just turn it on to see what is going to be the difference. Because if you're gonna have it and you're gonna have it on, so it's like, do you see what changed? The brightness changed a little bit. I hope you see that everything is more colorful. And if you want to, you can have it, but it really depends on your preference. So have a great day and goodbye.